Hello, welcome to this new episode of my Vintage Crochet Magazine browse-through. This is Magic Crochet issue number 57, December 1988. I'm going to browse, try to find some inspiration for my next project. Let me continue. Geometric Tablecloth by Mayumi Sato. Point Star by Jackie Kilby. They use thread number 70. Must be really tiny. Comes with the charts. Let me continue. This is cute. Glendola Hodge accent on beads. Comes with the chart. I don't know about the beads. The next one, Roses for Round Table, Filet Crochet. They use thread number 40. Signs of the Zodiac. Comes with all the charts. Also Glendola Hodge, the designer. They used cotton number 10. Capricorn Pillow Top. The designer is Eliane Carreo. Made with cotton number 5. Let me continue. The signs, they continue. Libra, Pillow Top, Aries, Boy-Girl Profiles, Filet Crochet, the designer Glendola Hodge. They use cotton number 30. Let's continue. Dainty Daisy by Chantal Chevalier. They use cotton number 40. Too plain for my taste. The next one, Double Feature by Glendola Hodge. They use cotton 30. I like it. Next, Aster by Elizabeth Hiddleston. Pretty. I like her designs. I made a few. I'm going to make videos of the ones that I have from Elizabeth Hiddleston. Comes with a chart. They use cotton number 20. Beige color. Two-tone matte by Elizabeth Hiddleston. They use cotton number 10. Cute. Comes with a chart. One more by Elizabeth Hiddleston. Fans and Triangles. Made with cotton number 10. Ecru color. Comes with a chart. It's cute. Two turtle doves. See? They use cotton number 10. Filet Crochet comes with a chart. The edging. Seashells by Glendola Hodge. They use shading cotton number 50. Comes with a chart. The next one, Oval Runner by Elizabeth Hiddleston. I made a similar one. Comes with a chart. They used cotton number 20. Floral Flourish for Window Table by Dharma Bregoli. Made with cotton number 10. Filet Crochet comes with a chart. The next one, Open work tablecloth. They use cotton number 30. I don't know. Irish Roses by Elizabeth Hiddleston. Made with cotton number 10. Comes with a chart. The next one. Lace pillow top and ruffle. Pretty. The designer is Kazuko Ichida. Made with cotton number 40. Comes with a chart. Oval centerpiece by Glendola Hodge. Made with cotton number 10. Interesting. Nice. Cute design. The next one. Set of colorful table mats by Mayumi Sato. Pearl crochet cotton number 5. I like this one. Let's see. This is the continuation of the previous page. Time for Refreshment by Mayumi Sato. They use cotton number 10. Nice. Look at the double pineapples. Double pineapples. Intricate. The next one. Big and beautiful curtain. Pearl cotton number 12. Filet crochet. Nice. The next one. Nice City by Elizabeth Hiddleston. They use cotton number 20. Next one. Multicolor floral mat. The designer Masumi Sato. They use cotton number 8. Nice colors. This is a cute color. Trellis mat by Dharma Bregoli. They use cotton number 5. Filet crochet. Here's the chart. Exotic butterfly by Glendola Hodge. Cotton number 10. Wow. The next one. Living room potpourri designed by Genevieve Cloquin. Hook number 1. Finger weight 3-play knitting yarn. Next. Bed cover for Junior Miss. Designed by Fujiko Takagi. Cotton number 20. Knockout cardigan. No designer. Mohair acrylic knitting yarn. It doesn't say what size. It's pretty. Happy Go Lucky. No info of designer. Soft crochet cotton number 3. I like this one. This is something I would do. Here are the instructions for the top on previous page. Looks easy. I should give it a try. Baby boy's jacket top. Designed by F. Marechal. I like this one better. Painting wooden cutouts. Let's continue. I don't know how to do this. Pretty. Sweetness and Light by Elizabeth Hiddleston. I didn't see a large photo of this one. Maybe it's the one here. Yeah. It's this one. It's pretty and small. And I think that's it. If you like my content, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.